Hey Google, turn the light red.
Alright, changing the LED strip lights to red.
Hello everyone, my name is Steph. Today we just received an item, and that's going to be a LED strip Wi-Fi, and the brand is Gosund. I hope I pronounced perfectly. I hope so. So that's going to be a smart light strip. The length of this guy is 9.6 feet. And we can look at the box. Not bad. This item here is working with Alexa and Google. This guy is working with 2.4 gig on the internet. So let's do the unbox. Okay, so we're going to look inside to see exactly what we have. Okay, so first, that's going to be the cable with the switch on and off. The strip light. The user manual, and those sticky, so like that you can just stick on the wall or under the table to put your strip light, to install your strip light. Let's look at that smart light strip. I'm going to open it. I hope it's easy. I guess I'm going to need scissors, probably not. Et voila. So this guy is starting here. So that when you need to plug it in, you just need to take your cable. You're going to see 4 entry. Okay. So you can see here on the light strip you have 4 pin, and here on the cable that's going to be the entry. So that's easy, you just need to plug it in, and that's it, that's all. You don't need to et voila, it's done. It's already in. So now the only thing we need to do is to go to install it and try it with Google, because at home I have Google, I don't have Alexa. So let's go install it. Okay, let's try it to see if this light strip is going to work with Google. Hey Google, turn the light blue.
Okay, changing the LED strip lights to blue. Sorry, it looks like the Linda light isn't available right now.
Perfect, so at least now we can see this guy is working with Google Assist. Hey Google, turn the light white.
Got it, changing the LED strip lights to white. Sorry, it looks like the Linda light isn't available right now.
The only thing I need to tell you if is really working, just follow the user manual they gave you, and that's easy to install. It's not really hard. And you can see the way I install it, all the way to the back under the counter, and I use those clip. Let me show you what kind of clip I use. I use those guys here to hold the wire, and one side is sticky. Wait, give me a second. One side it's like sticky, just peel it out, and that's going to stick on the wall or on wood or anywhere you want. And if I want, I can do it manual. I'm going to turn the light off, or if I want, I can, hey Google, turn the light on.
Got it. Turning the LED strip lights on. Sorry, it looks like 3 lights aren't available right now.
Et voila. This guy is really working. And please don't forget to use 2.4 gig for your internet, because on 5 gig it doesn't work. So first thing, just put your cell phone on 2.4 and that's going to be easy after that. I hope you like this video about this smart light strip. If you love it, don't forget to, like usual, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in another one.